trying to carve out a chance here. Senkatuka breaks away, and it's a goal in. Slight hesitation, indecision, and making the most of your terrain. You have to be a pro at your environment.
Look at that, the ball is miscontrolled there by Issa Lumu, and then it holds back a bit, then he beats the goalkeeper easily, and then bang. And I can tell you that that was a real predator instincts there, but good play there coming in from Odong there in delivering that ball. But you can see that clearly it was because Issa Lumu also failed to control that ball, it just went under his foot.
I normally say let the ball do the work.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm surprised.
That looks like a handball, but a couple of hands flaring, and a chance here, and the ball sneaks in another mysterious circumstance. Express are being ripped to shreds right here. Nelson Senkatuka puts the ball into the back of the net.
Well, I'll tell you that this is quite some drama. If you look at what happened there, the ball comes in, it drops in, and they don't clear their lines. And you could see how it was picked up by Nudin Bunjo. He tried to shoot, and it ricochets off, I think it was Farouk Katongole, and the ball keeps bubbling up in the air.
No difference from the first goal there.
Uyu ni reba makuru AGEIHANGWE.